As the sun dips below the horizon, the savannah comes alive with a golden glow. There, amidst the swaying grass, a majestic figure emerges. A lion, the king of the savannah, begins its epic walk at sunset. With each powerful stride, it commands the landscape. Its mane, a crown of nature, dances in the gentle breeze. The distant mountains bathed in warm hues as if nature itself bows in reverence to this magnificent creature. Look at how the golden grass parts for him, almost in awe of his presence. Slow motion captures every ripple of muscle, every flicker of power. This lion is not just an animal. It's a symbol of strength, grace, and the enduring spirit of the wild. As the sky transitions to twilight, the lion continues its journey. The savannah, now cloaked in shadows, whispers ancient tales of survival and dominance. This is nature in its purest form, a mesmerizing dance of life and time. So next time you witness a sunset, remember this lion's walk. Remember the beauty of the wild and the timeless bond we share with this breathtaking world. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep marveling, and stay wild.